Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to take your class 9 chapter 1 chemistry matter in our surrounding topic classification of matter. What is the classification of matter? What is the matter? We discussed in our previous video what is the matter, and here we will going to discuss about the topic classification of matter. What is the classification of matter? We will discuss here what is the classification of matter. Classification of matter divided into two types. Classification of matter divided into two types: physical and chemical classification. What is the matter classification? Physical classification and chemical classification. What is physical classification of matter? First is solids, liquids, second one, and third one is the gases. Physical class, on the basis of physical classification, matters are divided into three categories: solids, liquids and gases. You know very well what is solids and liquids and gases. Okay, and now second is the chemical classification. What is the chemical classification of matter? Elements, compound and mixture. These are three types of chemical matter: elements, compound and mixture. What is the elements? Aluminium, gold, oxygen, silver. These are the element. You know very well what is the element. Compound. What is the compound? Like salt. When two elements mix together, this is formed the compound like NaCl, salt. Mixture. What is mixture? We drink like cold drink, soft drinks, or the example of mixture. So here what is the example of mixture? Cold drinks are the example of mixture, salt is the example of compounds, and aluminium, gold, silver, oxygen is the example of elements. Here gases. What is gases? What is the example of gases? You know very well the example of gases. We breathe. In breathing we use which type of gases, and whatever gases found in our environment, these are the example of the gases like nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas. These are the example of gases. What is liquid? What is the liquid? Water and liquid we drink. These are the liquid. And solids every boxes like structure, every solid things are the example of solids. Now come on the physical nature of matter. What is the physical nature of matter? Here we discuss about the nature of matter also. What is the physical nature of matter? Particles nature, how small they are. Matter is made up of so many particles. Our particles are very small in the matter. So many small particles also involved in the formation of the matter. Example, a drop of water contain about 10 to power 21 molecules of water. It means a drop of water contain 10 to power 21. Suppose how small they are. 10 to power 21 molecules of water, they contain only a drop of water. Okay. Now the characteristics of particle. What is the characteristics of particle? Particles have space between them. Matter's particles have some space between each other. Second, particles, they continuously moving. The particles of matter continuously moving. They have kinetic energy, that's why they move continuously. And their particles of matter also attract to each other. They have the attraction force also work, and the particles of matter attract to each other. So here is the classification of matter and physical nature of matter also. Some characteristics of particles also we have discussed here. So these are the topic. I repeat my topic again. I repeat my class again. What is the today's class? Classification of matter, physical classification and chemical classification. Physical types of physical classification: solid, liquid and gases. Chemical classification: elements, compound and mixture. What is the example of elements? Aluminium, gold, oxygen and silver. What is the compound? Example of compound: salt. What is the mixture? Example of mixture: cold drinks. Physical nature of matter. What is the physical nature of matter? Particles nature. Matter has some particle nature, and how small the particles. Example, a drop of water contain about 10 to power 21 molecules of water. Okay, characteristics of particle. What is the characteristics of particles? Particles have some space between them. They have continuously moving. They attract to each other. So these are the characteristics of particle. So this is our class. Hope you understand very well. It is very simple in language and very simple to understand. Thank you so much for watching. This is Surbi here. Please connect with me. There are so many benefits you will get from my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.